Y'all, I am so excited. We are doing a Halloween shopping and haul for this vlog. But here's the thing, y'all. I'm all about the subtle Halloween with just like a bit of, like fall blend, mainly fall, but like a touch of Halloween. And I want to do it all on a budget. And at the end, I'm going to give you like some Halloween like decor tips. Just for people that don't want too much Halloween, they want more fall than Halloween. I even have on my Halloween shirt I got from Five and Below. I just love Five and Below shirts. It's simple and cute. I love that. See, that's the type of Halloween I want. Simple and cute. Okay, so this is my first time going to Spirit Halloween. I've never been to Spirit Halloween before, but I might not get anything in here because we're trying to keep like a budget-friendly Halloween vibe. But I just want to walk around and just see what they got in there. So let's go. Boogie woogie. They even got like a hat. No, I'm good. And that's from Hocus Pocus. Little things like we're in, what was it, Beetlejuice, and they pull their face forward through their mouth. It has like the mask for it. It's a bag? I thought it was a mask. Oh, I thought it was like a little bedazzled mask. I don't think I want that. I got Scooby-Doo right here. We think about the jacket. They can dress up like Scooby-Doo. Can you imagine Dad wearing that though? We're just looking. Oh man, I like that. It looks cozy.
Yeah, I like that.
I like the pants. They look really cozy. And look at the jacket. Yeah, and look at the back. So you have the whole Scooby-Doo gang right there. $30. Yeah, $30. Yes. I don't know. I wish the jacket was free. 34. I can't imagine myself wearing this. Oh, it's caught. Yeah, like picture me wearing this. Cute. I'll wear this. And like the hoodie, like has their eyeball. Okay, this is. Oh, this was $59.99. I'll put that back. Mom, maybe you could find like a costume in here for you when you go to school, like for like Halloween day. Just saying. Oh my gosh, I love this. I would love to be Cheetos. We got a little tail too, and it's got like cute little socks. I wish I loved Cheetos. I don't like Cheetos like that. What? This is like the Birds movie by Alfred Hitchcock. Was it Alfred Hitchcock?
That's what I'm thinking with seagulls.
Yeah. This is like the Halloween I don't know no part of. Look at that. Now this will give me nightmares if I wake up and see this looking at me.
I would have to think about it.
I like that. They got shirts. Buy one, get one free. Oh, it's buy one, get one 50% off. My bad. For all the shirts they have.
I hold my liquor. I like that.
The ghost. That's cute. I like that.
Her.
Yeah, I like these earrings. I like that. Cute. You could buy him? He better not jump out of the trap nothing. Whoa, that is freaky. I do not want that. Oh my god, if it moves, I'm gonna go. For it moves, I'm scared it's gonna go. I'm scared it's gonna move. Oh my gosh, it looks like it's gonna move. Does it actually move? When she said that scarecrow turned his head, I was out. Because if it moves, I want to run. I made that girl on TikTok. I don't know if y'all seen that TikTok where this girl's walking through Spirit Halloween and this thing jumped out in the air and she collapsed on the floor. That's what I thought was going to happen to me for a second. So we're going to keep this really simple. I am trying to find Halloween decor that really blends well with my fall decor. And the first stop we're stopping at is at Walmart. We're stopping at Walmart first or the only spot, because we try to run some errands too while we're here. So why not just kill two birds with one stone? How much is that? This is giving like Thanksgiving stuff though.
Yeah, the gold color.
Yeah. I'll definitely come back here for Thanksgiving. Halloween mugs though. I like these blankets. Too cute to spook. I love that. We just got through shopping at Walmart and we're about to go get something to eat. I'm torn between like Chipotle and Chick-fil-A, but we're just gonna go to Chick-fil-A. This is right across the street. I'm gonna get me the lemonade and I'm gonna put like some strawberry, was it puree or syrup? I don't know about y'all. Do y'all ever get like the strawberry syrup inside y'all lemonade? I just love doing that. And I also like getting their mac and cheese, but I can't stand it when you put bacon on there. I know some people, they put bacon on their mac and cheese and I don't like that at all.
And never get over that.
I know everybody and their mom was Chick-fil-A.
They go to work. Why y'all off? Yes. Got it? Yeah, I got it. Okay.
I did not grab a bunch of stuff this year because one, I was like, I already have like a bunch of Halloween stuff here at home already. And second, I'm trying to like I said before the beginning, we are trying to do like a blend of fall and Halloween. We don't want to like do too much. As you know, sometimes they say like less is more. So I didn't want to do too much. I didn't want to get too carried away. And I'm trying to stick to a budget and also trying to remember that, you know, Christmas is right around the corner and I really want to save my coins, you know, for Christmas. Y'all know how it is. It's like the worst time ever, especially for your wallet, because you can't decide like, do I want to spend all this money for Halloween or Christmas? It's just like such a conflicting time. But I did get a few things and I am in love with this sign. Y'all, I got this sign at Walmart for, how much was it? It was like $9.99. Yeah, I think it was $9.99 and I love it so much. Like, look at it. Too cute to spook. Oh my gosh, y'all, that is so cute. I love this. I already have an idea of where I want to put this. I want to put this like behind the apple basket I have. I was gonna put on my front door, but I was like, you know what? I like it right here in the house. And I also got this blanket. It is so soft, y'all. I saw it. They had other blankets. Like there was like one that was white with candy corn, and I think there was another one with skeletons on it. But I really like the orange because, you know, October. When I think of October, I just think of orange, and I really want to keep the orange theme I have going on in the house. And I feel like this goes really well with the fall blend I got going on. And it's got like cute little, I don't know if you can see it, but it's got different faces of jack-o'-lanterns on here, and I love that so much. And it's so soft, y'all. This was, again, I want to say the blanket was $6. If I remember, I think it was $6. Y'all, I got this cute little jack-o'-lantern. It's like, I was hoping it'd be battery power, like battery power wouldn't require a plug, but this came with a plug. See, I want the battery pack I want to put on my porch because the pumpkins I have outside obviously don't have lights. So I just like, you know what, I just put it beside the TV. You know, when you're watching a Halloween movie, you just get into the vibe when you see like a jack-o'-lantern sitting beside your TV. And I was gonna get two, but I was like, nah, I think it looked good with just one in the corner of the TV stand. So like I said before, I have stuff here already. So I'm going to show you also what I got last year for Halloween. And a few of these things, like most of the things I got was from Dollar Tree. This I got from Dollar Tree. This is so cute. It's Death by Candy. I got this as like a kitchen towel. Y'all know, if y'all know my channel, you know I always have kitchen towels to drape across, you know, the handle of the oven. I just love having like a towel for every season or every holiday for the kitchen. I think it just gives that nice touch to it. And I got this cute little plush jack-o'-lantern pillow. I want to say this was from Walmart last year, if I'm correct. I think this was from Walmart last year. This was about $5. And like the blanket, it is super soft. And I want to put this in the corner. I was going to put it on my bed, but I was like, no, I'm just going to put it on the rocking chair. I think it look cute. And I want to do a bit of DIY. I got some construction paper. I got Sharpies, because also that's another way to save money if you're trying to do some Halloween decor. Now, one of the simplest DIY projects you can do is just take these plastic pumpkins for either Dollar Tree or Walmart and literally just get a Sharpie and draw faces of jack-o'-lanterns. So y'all, this one was very simple. I was just taking old candles that I used in the past, and I just took some construction paper and just cut out small and big circles to make a face. And you could just use tape or glue. Here I used tape because I did not have any glue, but it still worked out. And you can use these candles as ghost faces. Okay, so for these lights, I got these lights at, where did I get these lights? Okay, so I got these lights at not Five Below, oh my gosh. I got these lights at Dollar Tree, and last year they were $5, and I walked around Walmart and they were $6, so you know, the economy. But anyway, I am trying to figure out, should I put these lights up here? And I want to put them up here, but should I like take the leaves down? I don't know. I was gonna see how they look with them on to see if they look good or okay. Okay, y'all let me know in the comments below, like, does this look too busy to you? Like, do you think that, oh no, it's just not working for this? And by the way, I didn't put that right there, someone else did. But y'all let me know, do y'all think the person in my house, I think it was my dad, he did this, do you think it looks good like right here? And also, do you think these lights look good right there? Part of me, when you get up close, it looks busy, but when you stand from a distance, it don't look too bad. But let me know. Okay, be honest. Do y'all think this looks like a bat? Like, I'm not the best artist or DIY crafter, but I think this looks like a bat. I think Batman would approve. Dude, this right here has to be one of the most easiest ways to decorate your house for Halloween. And if you just don't want to carve your pumpkin, I'm literally just taking this Sharpie and I'm just drawing faces of a jack-o'-lantern. And there is poop on my pumpkin. There is bird poop on my pumpkin. Y'all, my pumpkin looks so bad. I'm not an artist. Look at this. This is my pumpkin, and I was aiming for, you know, this was the face I was aiming for, that face right there, and this is what I got. Y'all, it's harder to draw because of these ridges, but I'm having fun. I'm enjoying this. It's getting dark, the sun is setting, and it gives me that, you know, that feeling of Halloween, like it's, you know, a mid-October feeling. The air is cool. It just feels good out here. I recommend y'all do this. Okay, I'm going to color the other ones, and at the end, I might show y'all how it looks tomorrow because it's starting to get dark. Okay, that was a bat, and I'm about to pack this up. I'm not kidding y'all. There was a bat that literally just flew right there, and I'm about to go. Okay, y'all, so it is the next day, and I put the fireplace back on the TV. I just want to give it that cozy, warm vibe. But I just want to show y'all before I end this video what the house looks like. Now, like I said, it's very simple, and it's just It's very simple with just a few hints to Halloween, let you know, hey, it's October, it's that time of the year, but we're not trying to go all spooky. And honestly, I don't know how people do it with, I see houses that have like giant skeletons in the yard, or they have like the demonic, like movie characters that be in their house, like these statues, you know what I'm talking about. And I'm like, how do y'all sleep with that? That's why I just keep my Halloween simple and family kid friendly. I can't do all the spooky. So this is just our simple, cozy fall / Halloween setup. And also guys, if you like this video and just want to see more decorating stuff, I recommend y'all check out my other video, guys, because I did a whole video of decorating my house for fall and my front porch for fall. So you check out those videos here and here if I put it a certain way. Yeah, check out those 2 videos here and stay tuned for some more decor videos, y'all. Fall is not over yet. Christmas is just around the corner. We have so many fun things going on this channel. So please like, comment, and subscribe for more video like this, guys. And yeah, guys, until next time, bye.